Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is project number 3 in the Bikes and Blooms June 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So what we need to do, excuse me, is do our stamping. And we need to stamp butterflies on our card front here. And they're saying to put both butterflies on the same block, and I am worried that I will ink one and it won't clean off well enough, and so I'll end up with the shadow. So what I've done is I've put one on each side of my block. This one needs to be stamped over here. It's the two butterflies together. And then I need to stamp the single butterfly on this side over here. So there we go. Your other option is just to clean your stamp and dry it before. So I've already Versamarked, as I said, so I'm just going to pop that off to the side. I'm going to ink up my thank you like this, and it goes on like this. There we are. Okay, and then we need to ink up our flowers. And figure out how we're stamping down. I think I have this upside down. I do. Okay, I need to pull this really close to me so that I can see what I'm doing. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm pretty pleased with how that came out. Okay, so now we need to do our dimensionals. So this piece gets dots, and the rest get dimensionals. So, okay. So for the banner, we put one there and one there. And then the flowers, we put 3 little ones on here. Okay, and then we've got our little die cuts. And for the little die cuts, we do 1, 2, 3, and then this one gets 3 as well. 1, 2, 3. This one gets 9 across here. We're not going to worry about that one right now. But what we are going to do is put 3 across the back of this one, like this. And we need to put 1 on the front. And then we'll add our ribbon on to the front of this one before we put everything together. Okay, I'm actually going to put 2 because I don't know that 1's going to be enough. But anyway, I am going to do the dimensionals on this one and then start peeling them off, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, let's adhere this down, and it is a 5 1/4 by 4, so it's a little bit smaller, but I'm going to line up. There you can see there's a darker shade here and a darker shade here. I'm going to line that up like that. Okay, and now we can start putting things together. So this piece goes on the front basket like that. This piece goes on the back basket. So there is a lot of height on this. There's areas where this is triple dimensionalized. Anyway, so that one goes there. And then our flowers, this is the triple piece, because we dimensionalized the card front, we dimensionalized that, and now we are adding dimensionals to the flowers. So this is a really nice 3D kind of look. And it is going to sit like this. There we go. And the picture is backwards from what I'm seeing here, but I couldn't have stamped this any other way. So I'm just going to go with it. Now, for the greeting piece, I need a piece of my linen thread. And I've just been kind of winging it, but there is a measurement thing here. And you can just, your linen thread's going to come out curly, so just run it through your fingers a couple of times. And we need to take our adhesive off there, and we're going to wrap this. So I'm going to come through like this, and then I'm going to create a loop and come back through like that. And the linen thread wants to curl, and that works for me in this case. And then we're going to come back through like this, and then we're going to trim. Okay, so that's our loop like this. They wanted it much wider, and I've done it kind of tight, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. And then this goes down like this, and this comes to the edge of the card itself, like that. Okay, and then we take this and we're going to pop it over top, and it is going to be just offset a little bit, but right at that edge as well, like that. And there are none of those beautiful little butterflies on this one, but that is project number 3. So stay tuned for that first alternate card.